Jack Madeline. I play for the Victoria University She-Crocs. And here we've just been playing SCC Cairo. The game ended on their side. It was 9-17. Well, the tournament is still young. We're here to compete. It was a challenging game right now, but we're here to compete for the next coming games. Yes.
You don't get to the court in 2 minutes. Then what happens next is probably not of our liking, but of course we have to chase time.